Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce on the market and look for something to trade. Well, if we're checking right now, that actually the market has just opened as far as the futures markets. We can kind of look and see what the market's doing right now in real time. Now, when the market opens officially in the morning, all this could totally change. So this really means nothing. The overnight session, as they call it, things happen overnight, and by the morning, things could be all the way back to normal. If you look right now, up here, you'll see right now the S&P 500 is down 90 points or 2%. Obviously a big move right now after a huge rally on Friday. But if you watch the market at all on Friday, you know that the market was down about 100 points on Friday and closed up 100 points. Same thing with the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is getting beaten up right now as we speak. It's down 2.25%, $318. But same thing on Friday. Friday was, or it was Thursday actually. It was down 400 points at one point, and it closed up 400 points. So it's been a wild ride over this last week with the Ukrainian war and Russia and all this stuff going on in the world. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to look to play like we did about a month ago, volatility. And we're going to use an ETN as they call it, called VXX. And all it is it's a form of a stock for the most part, not important as to, you can look it up yourself as far as what ETN means, but it's similar to an ETF in many regards. And you can see over this last week, as the market's been super volatile, volatility has gone way up. And if we look over the last, let's say 6 months, you can see it kind of just tends to hang out around here most of the time. Obviously over here there was a wild ride for a couple months back in September, October. But ever since then, except for these spikes, and this is what we're talking about, these spikes, it's kind of hung out around here. So what we're going to do is we're going to play for it to come back to about here, because that's where it's been. Like I said, it spiked here, but guess what? It came right back into this range and dropped. It spiked here, guess what? It came back in this range about there. It spiked here. We're going to play for it to come back around this range same way. So what do? We go over to the trade page. Again, we want to be as close to 45 days as possible. This is perfect right here. You can see it's 46. So tomorrow it'll be 45. We open this up, and when we sell call verticals, because we're expecting volatility to go down, we're going to sell a call vertical betting it goes down. The way we set it up is we go to the strike price directly above the stock price. In this case, it's 23 as of right now, because you can see it's 22.95. And we're going to create a $2 wide vertical. So we're going to sell a vertical right here that's $2 wide, 23.25, and we're looking to collect at least 50 cents. When we play volatility, it's a slightly different game because volatility doesn't tend to credit as much for trades. Meaning, normally speaking, when we do verticals, we're looking for 33 to 40 cents per dollar width. In this case, $2 wide means we'd be looking for 66 cents or more. But volatility, and only volatility, we play differently. You don't get the kind of credits for volatility that you do for normal stocks or ETFs, because in general, people know volatility is not going to stay high forever. They're betting it's going to go down over time as well, so they give you a little bit less credit. So when we do verticals with volatility, on a $2 wide iron condor, on a vertical, I'm looking just to collect 50 cents or more. So that's the trade for tomorrow. In VXX, when the market opens up, and let's say it opens up right here, we're going to go to the strike directly above it. At this point it's 23, create a $2 wide vertical, and look to collect 50 cents or more on this trade for it to be a valid volatility trade, meaning we're expecting volatility to go down over the next 45 days as things hopefully calm down in the market. Hello everybody, and welcome to what I believe is an exciting opportunity. Now, many of you might be familiar with my classes up on Udemy, these 5 courses that I have on Udemy right now under the Option Trading for Rookies series. And my goal, if you follow along with what I'm teaching, is to really get you all up and trading as confidently and as quickly as possible, which is why I really believe this service I've created is the best way to get to the next level. Now, if you go to sharpertrades.com and you go to the courses page, you'll see these alerts pop up, and the option basic trade alert right here sends out 2 to 3 trades per week in real time. These are trades I'm actually making at the time I'm making them. And on top of that, it'll send you the alerts when I close these trades for the maximum profit potential, best return on that trade. Now, normally it's $49 a month, but I want to reward all of you who want to take advantage of this because you're taking my course. I feel like it's in your best interest and mine to get you kind of up and going as cheaply and quickly and confidently as possible. So go to Sharper Trades, go to courses, look up this alert, and then what happens is if you type in this code right here, basic option FB1, so when you click on this alert, it'll take you to a page where you can type in this coupon code. And for you lucky few that want to take advantage of it, I'm going to give it away for $1 for the first month, because that's how important I think it is to get up and trading as quickly as possible, or at least see somebody trading to see how it works. Now, as I said, it's only $1 for the first month. If you stick with it, it'll go to $49 a month, but you can cancel anytime. So if you want to do it for a month just to see what it's all about, great. If you want to keep going, great. But again, this is to thank you for being such loyal and studious students, because like I said, at least for me, the best way to learn how to trade is to get up and trading with somebody that's trading in real time, which I am. So take advantage of this. Go to the Sharper Trades page, type in this coupon code, and go ahead and get this for only $1 for the first month and see what trading looks like in reality. And you'll get up and trading, I believe, quickly and confidently, much quicker than just trying to learn it through book smarts. So take care, and please continue on with this course. Thanks.